Hello guys, this is Farhan again with another short trading video for you guys. Currently we are in the Asian market, and according to my secret market scanner, pound CAD was a buy. So if you go to the shorter time frame, you will see it reacted from one of our system rules, and you can see the clear support. It was a buy around here. If you go to the shorter time frame, 15-minute, you will see it was sitting at support area, and boom, it went 40 pips in the Asian market. So as you can see how easy it is to use my secret market scanner, which is purely based on my secret strategy. So I think you should immediately get your hands on my secret market scanner. You can email support at FxChildsplaySignals.com, and please join my free Telegram channel for more updates. And if you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, I'll be thankful to you. Thank you.